moldings. Although I've done videos showing how to do that, it's just that I've never mentioned that is how you can do molding using archicad. But for this video, I'm actually going to show you how we are going to do concrete fascia. The principle is just the same because we are going to use complex profile to achieve that. So I'm going to go to one of the elevations. Here, what we are going to do is that we are going to draw the shape we want here, then actually copy it. So I'm just going to draw this shape. So what you're going to do is just to draw the shape you want to achieve. Just press the spacebar, hold down the spacebar, and then you can just fill it like that. So what you're going to do is just copy this pattern or just cut it by pressing Ctrl X, and then go to options, then come to complex profiles, then profile manager, and then choose on this plus sign. Then we are going to go for new, so new profile. This is actually going to be the beam, concrete fascia, sorry. Fascia, okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to delete this, then press Ctrl V to paste the fade pattern that you had done before. So what you want to do is just drag this to this X mark here, because that is your reference line, the reference point. So you are going to choose this to use with beam and deactivate that. You can also choose to work this thing as a column, railing, but I'll show you that a bit later when you are going to advance. So just save that. Then you can actually click on it and override surfaces. So we are going to give it a texture of its own. Want something like stucco white. For that, the rough one. Okay. Then press save, and then just close that like that. So what we are going to do is that we can measure the distance from this part to this part, 2375. So that is going to be the projection for concrete molding. So we'll go back to the ground floor plan, then to the design palette, and then choose the beam tool. The structure, under this you can structure, you can change it to the complex profile, then change it from custom to the concrete fascia we created. Then just press Ctrl T for the settings, because we want to change the projection. I want it to project at 2375. That is where I want it to project at. Then let's press OK. So we are just going to draw it to the shape we want. Once you've drawn the shape, the beam, so you can actually check it on 3D. This is what you're having. So this is what you've just added. That's it there, like that. That's the concrete fascia we just added. So basically that is how you are going to do moldings. You can actually use the move tool or the complex profile, but I usually prefer using complex profile. It's actually easier. It's actually the best way you can do, but for very complicated tasks, I think move works better. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Share the video.